Let's see how can we preview the avatar in Odoo 17. The information about the logged user, and this also allows to send the message as well as to view the profile. So when you just click on send message, this would pop up a message section in the window. And if you want to just mention any users, you can just use the @ symbol and choose the one that you want to mention and make message. So this message would be sent to the mentioned one. And here currently the user is logged in, and which is indicated in green color and which shows that he is in online. Now when you just choose the avatar from this area, you can just open this in discussion and you can view the message that we have just generated. Let's move on to the quotation. And here you can search messages. So if you have a lot messages, lot more messages, you can just search using a particular keyword. So here we have different messages, and if you want to search a particular message, you can just search that. So let me choose a keyword. So as I search the message, you can see the search message will be highlighted over here. And Odoo also provide a new feature to open the profile directly from the live chat. So here you can see that currently we have just opened the profile, and this also allows to rename the user. So if I want to change the username, I can just rename that and just click on enter so that the name will be changed. Now if you want to just pin a particular message, you can pin that. So currently we don't have any pinned message. So if you want to pin this, you can pin and just, we have to pin it. Currently the message is pinned. And if you want to just view the pinned messages, you would be able to see the pinned message under the section of pinned. And you can also hide the pinned message. So let me hide the pinned messages. And you can also have attachments. So currently we don't have any attachments. So let me upload an attachment over here. So let me just upload this. And we can view all the attachments under the show attachments. So this is the attachment currently we have. And if you want to just add the users, which means different users, you can add. So we can just have a group chat. So if you want to create a group chat, this allows to create a group chat, which is very easy, and that makes Odoo more reliable to communicate with the users. And now we can just go to the show call settings, which shows the settings of the voice settings. We can just use the input device. And if you want to enable the push to talk, you can enable that. And this also have a voice detection threshold, which can be adjusted over here. And we can also maintain the settings of the video. Like we can just blur the background of the video or show video participants only. And this also have a technical settings in order to log RTZ events. Now, if you want to just make a phone call from the live chat, you can just choose the chat, and this would give a notification over here, and you can just allow the microphone so that the microphone is currently on, and that will be blinked by here when the microphone is active. Now you can also make it inactive or just close this. If you want to end the call, you can just click on disconnect, and this would also allow you to turn on the camera and have a video conference with the colleagues or clients. And if you want to just deafen, you can deafen the call. And if you want to mute, you can mute also. And we have another option to raise hand. And if the host of the call need to share the screen, he can share that. So if he wish to share a particular screen, he can share that. So he can just choose the screen over here. or just share the screen. So currently this screen is sharing, and let's stop the sharing right now. And if we want to just enter the full screen, we can enter that. And yeah, that's cool, right? Now let's exit the full screen. And if we want to end up this call, we can easily end this up. So Odoo has added more features into the avatar preview, which makes the users more useful. And we have another option to view the profile directly from the avatar. So if anybody want to view the profile of the logged user, it is very easy. So this is how Odoo deals with the previewing of avatar card in Odoo 17.